Bang, bang. What's up, puto? Oh, wait. Wrong day. Boom. Only 700 bucks today. Hair under 700 after fees. Probably closer to 6, but still keep the doctor away. Whoa. 1.3 profit factor. Today was a little bit harder for me. We had APVO. Was the biggest gapper, but I struggled on it. I only made 100 bucks on it. But RYDE, a penny, was where I made most of my money. I had one huge trade on APVO. Other than that, I only lost on it. 728 to 782 on 900 shares, and it was out of nowhere. And I do have it on recording, which is good. Yeah, other than that, not a whole lot to talk about. Decent metrics, but like I said, not the best, not the best. Let's get into it. Was looking at LGHL off open. Looking like it was due for some kind of bounce, but oh yeah, we did get a little bounce here. As this candle went green back over 50 and actually looked like it wanted to continue, I hopped in right here. Try to give this one a minute, see how high it wanted to go. Was looking strong, but sold before it came all the way back down. Got out at 59. Should be re-adding here. I think it does continue up towards like 80.
Rally, UIN.
Bump, 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 bump. Now looking at APVO, long line of consolidation, and figure when it did break over this, it'll probably make a decent move. As long as it doesn't reject off VWAP there. But
No way!
okay, here we go. Over this previous candle 71, I want to see it get over. I'm selling too quick.
No way I just got out at 70.
91 is
Oh
that
my.
high. I don't need to see it over. It does get over, but
I tried to give it a
7
second.
still is there, so
I see 80.
didn't break out too hard there. New candle opened up after this one closed strong right at 7, but it was a weak break. I got out at 7 flat for 3 cents. A little cautious here considering that break 7 was weak and VWAP is right there. Two possible signs of resistance.
Alright.
Looking like it wants to try, but it ain't happening. Oh, it is happening. What am I saying? Tries to dip. This candle tries to go green here. Needs to get back over 7. Then through 714.
Hello.
There it is. I get out at 710. A little weaker than I expected there, but VWAP is right there, so. Not sure if it wants to continue or not yet. Does look like. Looks like it's not gonna reject off VWAP. So I should be looking to get in here for some continuation. Whoever wants to turn.
Oh, that was
That's bad. Split second. Thought it was gonna curl. Preemptively added. A little too optimistic on that one, but now it's going green. Pretty good sign. Should have given this one a second. Yeah, that's on me. That's stupid that I sold that quick. There's just no need for that. Ends up breaking 50 here and then going 60 even. Bang. Man, a torpedo check. Stupid. Zip into 50, a little right under 50. Probably could add right there, but didn't want to add. Didn't want to be too, what's the word, anticipatory. I would have had to add it as soon as I saw 40s there, and don't really feel comfortable on this one trusting levels as much. Try it when it's trying to go green here. Kind of hold down 74 there. Get out, practically break even, I believe. Now it's trying again. No.
What do I? Wait. Okay. Wait. I'm full troll. See it again.
Here's a decent trade. 100. Sold before 8. A little premature. Got out 89. New canvas opened up and super strong. 68 to 89 there.
Bro, I
Now
saw
through 8. Oh, got in late on that one. That's on me.
right after it started going, the bid went down to 60 again. Still in. I mean, still.
And then I just lose on this thing, except for like 2 or 3 decent trades on it. All I did was lose. Lose no matter what. There we go. Let's see this. This candle's still trying to decide which direction it wants to go. Needs to get back through 8 through 809. I should be adding, trying to add a lot sooner on a lot of these. I'm kind of banking on, super strong momentum a little too much, I feel. Kind of leaning on that as a crutch a little bit too much. Like if something, if something isn't like going, I often struggle. So I need to get a little bit better at adding lower, trusting setups, I think. Definitely need to mix some more of that in. So really was some bullshit.
Ridiculous.
KWE was also some bullshit. Probably shouldn't have traded this T-Pet. EYEN, yuck. Get it off my screen. Alright, here we go. APVO might be making another move here. And this is where the biggest trade of the day came from right here. Candle opens up. That previous high is 34. Boom. Gets through 34 and just teleports up to 8. Boom. And I get a high, thankfully. 82 on the out. It's the biggest trade of the day right there from absolutely out of nowhere. And beside this right here, pretty sure after this, all I did was lose on this stock. Like, actually only losers. Maybe a few 2-cent wins mixed in, but this 500 went all the way down to 100 on this name. So Kind of unfortunate, but no one's fault but my own. Buying too high way too often, and feeling the repercussions of that was the main downfall of the day, I think, on it. But it was just hard. You kind of had to buy it in spots where you couldn't directly see the strength or see the bounce, if that makes sense. And I don't know. It's hard to trust it on these dips. And then when I would buy, when the buyers came in, it had already made the move half the time, and then it would be holding down where I was getting in, like right there.
Why are you moving like that?
Try it again, but they're just holding on to 54. Don't tell me I tried it for a third time. Oh no. What do you know? They're still holding on the same number. What's that? 6 cents times 9. It's such an unnecessary loss there. Let's see this move actually.
Yeah, that's kind of AIDS.
Hold on 54 again. If I would have waited right there until they just printed right over 54 and added, could have been up 40 cents on it. Oh my god, that's a terrible ad. I'm thinking now that it got up this high, it's gonna go break pre-market high, but kind of sketchy ads up here. I should be sizing down at this point. This much volatility. I mean, I could take a $150 loss. It's like, it's a normal 2-cent loss, so.
Guys, can I get in a little quicker, please? Bro, I get in.
Let's see this loss. There's 80 bucks gone. This loss alone.
Yeah, it was like
Let's
5
see.
cents.
Let's go.
Trying to go green, back to 40. It's not looking very strong here.
Let's fuck me in the ass some more.
It rejects again off 50. Definitely avoidable. Could just be waiting until it gets back over the 62 level, or at least back over 50. We made nothing on this move. Selling and then it pops over 50 because I'm PTSD. I'm scared of that 50 level now that I got flushed out on it. And then just pour by. Yeah, that's. If I'm getting in and out that fast and still taking
That one was brutal. That's
almost
a
$100
30%
loss, I should be sizing down big time.
Sucks a lot. Because it takes me fucking 30.
So that's on me. So what's that? Half my profit on it given back already. Big bottoming tail here. Needs this to go green and go back through 8. New candle opens up. If it continues with buyers. This 9 did make a move through 1 today, but it had 0 volume, so I had no interest in it. Back to 89. Should be adding there if I'm gonna add. Nope. then I sell when it actually goes. Yeah, this is just fucking. I have these moments where I'm so locked in. Other times I'm just like these moments of no focus and just total brain dead behavior. Oh my god. Let's see this. So I sold earlier on this break.
Got cheat.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
Then it teleports up again.
got cheat.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, blind buy. I thought it was gonna boom again up, but there's no evidence to support that it's gonna do a second boom there. So on me now. This is riding a roller coaster up. They throwing a big bid there. Should have been adding. Could have been an easy at least 50 cents there.
Can go, bitch. So 2 seconds.
Um, back to 950. There's another $70 loss. Buying at the fucking top of that candle again. What's the definition of insanity again? Oh yeah,
What
doing it
the
one more
fuck?
time. Let's go. Buying 50 there. At the resistance level at the top. Let's go.
What the fuck?
There goes.
Oh, I can't. I have 4
Almost
seconds
30-cent
left.
loss because I'm
It's 50.
brain dead. So that's fun. A lot of consolidation here. Okay.
I can't add.
No dip. No dip this time.
I knew if I added, I would have gotten fucking after.
And then it booms up to the halt level 1108 there. Wow.
I can't add.
No dip.
Gets
No
over.
dip this time.
I knew if I added, I would have gotten
Doesn't dip.
after.
Chugs. Boom.
I'm gonna fucking.
At this point, it probably just felt like revenge. It feels like revenge for sure. Missing out on all these big moves, and now I'm over trading the bullshit. Buying at spots where I shouldn't be. Stuff like that. Back to 11. Looked like it was chugging there for a second. Still kind of is if I would have held this, but it's a little high. Yeah. Bang. Caught that one. Out at 16 there.
16.
Flag.
I suck. I don't know.
Fucking pity party.
For
Need
real.
to shut up
I can imagine.
in this Discord call. 1070. Dip right under 50. See where it wants to hold. Preemptive buy there. That's what I figured out. That's what I need to be doing. And look at that. We still take a 20-cent winner even though it didn't break. What do you know? Not buying at the resistance level equals less losses. Who would have thought? Alright. Does get over. Now back to 11 and 1150. Not sure what that buy is. Wow, a lot of brain dead behavior was going on. And then I just watched that. Let's go. 1150 now is what we need to see. Ideally, this closes up over 11. We get a dip right under, and then it does it. But we don't live in a perfect world, so we'll see. this does stupid. I think this does consolidate for a few candles. Nope. Taps fitty. I'm scared to buy high.
This lag, yeah. Fucking 4 shares. Fucking madness.
Break even. That was clearly a lot stronger. I should have been adding on this one. Whoosh. Here's the tide coming in.
And I can't fucking trade it because
I don't want that 30 cents though. That's overrated. Oh. Yeah, I missed out on a lot on this name. Selling these way too fast as well. Would be selling there when it's a weak break back through 50, but and then, oh yeah, this one RYDE was popping up through 44. Weak break 44. I sell, and then of course it continues stronger. I want to see that happen right when it gets over 44.
I'm going to add.
Little dip under 45 in this candle. No. Bless on a fill. Through 48. It's that level there. Oh. Take stabs for this 48 buster.
Address this.
What are you doing? Are you retarded?
Candle. Hold down 47.5. There's over 47.5. Once again, a weaker break than we would want to see there.
Break even.
That was a lit break. Can't wait for the next one. Paying more in fees than profit.
Looking like it wants to keep going though. 48.3. I think it holds down for a minute here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. This is how you rack up fees right here. This is fee simulator. Hold me down. I'm 6 feet from the edge. Still holding on 48.4. Hold it higher this time. Oh, sell too early. Not through 50. Hold it high and throw up a bid. Oh.
Alright. 50 break?
Maybe 6 feet.
You're such an bro, I can't fucking play this.
Then whatever. But then when
I make everything.
ride, we gotta make.
Back over 48-4 through 50. That's all we need. There we go.
Shot. 11. Let's
KW is
Let me
big
guess,
spreads.
I
Oh,
can-
here we go. Alright. Taking the stairs up there. New candle. This one closes strong. Boom. Back over 48-4. Not one to go. There it is. Through 50 is what I'm thinking. Nope, not doing it. Quick dip and then through. Bang.
Oh my god, what? Did I just get
Quarter
full
of a
50
cent.
on that?
I
Let me
guess half a
I
cent.
got the same.
Average.
Oh, I got some at it.
Thinking on one of these is gonna do a big boom, but
Oh,
adding late. Thinking it might boom boom.
oh,
Should have been in a good spot and holding this. Oh, adding high at 55. Glad I sold that one. There we go.
Bro, if I just got filled at 55 on my out, I'm gonna fucking lose my mind. And then to is just calm.
call it. Is it true you can't block Elon? Like, even if no matter what, how hard you try, you'll still see Elon's shit.
Yeah.
Kidding, I apologize. Seen AI videos of like people made of Trump and Elon like making up
Sucking his toes.
pretty much. What's next for?
With your own.
Okay, for a while.
I think the side pro one driving. Crazy.
There we go.
They're not that. I'm pretty sure they're not that fast though.
Do you get the SRT8 one? Let's see.
SRT8.
Yeah. It's 5 seconds. I mean, that's still
No,
pretty. I just fucking. I can't even get.
after all that.
Dang.
Just skip it.
And I think,
Fletcher.
I think that's all, folks. Yep, that is it. Yeah. Not the best day at all, but definitely not the worst. Almost 700 bucks in profit. Bang bang. Hopefully it's a little better tomorrow. Oh wait, fuck. Market's closed tomorrow. Friday. Hopefully it's a little better Friday. Yeah. See you then. Peace.